Hi guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing another really exciting video, and that is showing you guys what is on my new iPhone 13 Pro. Now, I did recently get the iPhone 13. It came out on Friday from when I'm filming this video, and I did post an unboxing video. I also posted a video about how to customize your phone and how to use iOS 15. So if you guys want to see any of those two videos, I will have them linked down below, but I just wanted to tell you guys before I went on with this video. Also, just a little note, I went to Gov Ball, and that's why my hair is sparkling. But with all that being said, like I said, I got the iPhone 13 in graphite. This is a 256 gigabyte iPhone, and it is the Pro. Let me tell you guys, I love this phone so much. So this weekend I went to Connecticut and I went to Gov Ball with my friend in New York, and then I also went to one of her parties. Let me just tell you guys, this camera takes such good pictures. It's amazing. I think it's because the overall camera is bigger when you compare the 13 to the 12 Pro. You guys will see in my unboxing video, I did a camera test. If you guys want to go watch that, again, it's linked down below. But the cameras are a lot different, and I really like the 13's camera, so I'm very excited about that because I love taking pictures. But with all that being said, let's just get into the video. So like I said, I have the iPhone 13 Pro in graphite. This is what it looks like. It is beautiful. I literally love it so much. Basically, I don't have a case because I couldn't find one that I liked. I really like the black silicone cases that Apple sells. However, they're way too expensive. I'm not going to pay $50 for a phone case. I just personally don't like doing that. So I ordered one online, so that's why there's not one on here yet. But if you guys want to see the case I did buy, it is the one that is on my iPhone 12 Pro in my unboxing video for the 13. I know I'm referencing that video a lot, but that's where you can see the information if you wanted to. But with all that being said, let me just start and go from the top. To begin with, I have a picture of me and my friend Ariella. This is my lock screen, and I honestly love the vibes of it so much. This picture was taken at Gov Ball, and it's legit one of my favorite pictures of us just because I think it's so vibey, and I don't know, the lights were pink. It was giving me a nice vibe, so I made that my lock screen. I think it's really cute, and honestly, I change my lock screen a lot just because I like to be reminded of memories that I make with my friends. So I do change my lock screens pretty often because I do like change when it comes to how my phone actually looks. That is what my lock screen looks like, and let's get into the actual phone. As a rundown, this is what my phone looks like when you first open it. It just is very, very basic and aesthetic. I personally really like it. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go through everything. If you wanted to see my home screen is from Pinterest. It's just a silk little white background. I love silk so much, and I thought this was very aesthetic, which is why I put it there. But going into my actual phone, so the first thing I have is a Pinterest widget. Now, if you guys don't know how to make a Pinterest widget from your Pinterest board, I did explain it in my iOS 15 video. I'll have it linked down below again. But I really like having Pinterest widgets because it allows them to change hourly. So I use Pinterest a lot. My Pinterest is linked down below if you guys want to go follow it. But I use Pinterest a lot to pin things, and it's more about things that I want to happen in my life and that I'm manifesting to happen. So when I see it, it kind of acts as a vision board, and I absolutely love it. So that's why I have that widget there. Then I have TikTok. TikTok is one of my favorite apps to go on. When I just wake up in the morning, when I'm about to go to sleep and can't fall asleep, when I'm bored, I just love scrolling through TikTok. I think it has a lot of good ideas and everything like that. Then I have Instagram. This is what my Instagram looks like. So I have a lot of different pictures that I like posting. I post from Gov Ball, I post with my friends, I post with just me, I post sometimes like filler pictures, stuff like that. So if you guys want to follow me, definitely go ahead and go follow me. I post a lot of stories as well, but my Instagram is just sam.costa with 2 A's if you guys do want to follow me. Then I have Pinterest. Again, it's linked down below, but this is kind of what my Pinterest looks like. I love it. So I have boards like affirmations, love, bucket list, aesthetic, wallpaper, and stuff like that. I really like it, and I think you guys will too. So that's why I made my Pinterest public, because personally, Pinterest again acts as like a vision board for me, and I love vision boards, so that's why that's there. Then I have YouTube. YouTube is something I watch all the time. I really like watching Fernanda Ramirez right now. I love Lauren Doan, Julia K. Christ, all of those like influencer type of people that are kind of in the same niche as me. Also Hannah Maloche, her Hawaii vlogs, her new vlogs that she's filming right now, amazing. I literally love all of them, plus so many more people. So that's what I use YouTube for. I love watching YouTube, especially in my downtime, and even if I am really busy and I need something to like calm down and calm like my mind down from school and stuff like that, I will watch YouTube because it's like a stress relief for me. Then I have a widget reminder. So I got this idea from Julia K. Chris, but basically in one of her videos, I'll have it linked down below, she was just talking about how she made a to-do list little widget, and in that she just has everything she has to get done and she can like check them off when it gets done, which I really liked. So I made this widget and I literally use it every single day. Then I have YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is an app that you can use for your YouTube analytics. Then I have Fonto. Fonto is an app that I also use for YouTube and making my YouTube thumbnails. So to use Fonto, I just go into Fonto and you go to the camera, you hit camera, and this is how you can take a picture if you wanted to take a picture, or you can input a picture. So you just pick a picture that you want to input, you hit done, and then it's gonna load. You tap the screen, hit add text, and then you can add text and kind of make it like curvy or tilted, stuff like that, whatever you may like. And I don't know, I think it's really cool. So that's what I personally do and how I make my thumbnails. Then I have Calendar. I do use Calendar a lot when I have things coming up. I will put my little reminders in either the reminder folder for my widget or the calendar, kind of like depends on what the event actually is. Then I have Photos. As you guys know, I love taking photos. I love making memories. It's one of my favorite things to do. So I have Photos there because I'm always going through my photos, especially because I am a YouTuber. I really like to have my photos there. Then I have a little Pinterest widget again, and this is my affirmation board. This is something that just shows me a lot of quotes to stay positive about, and this just says be kind to yourself and share it with the world, and I like to remember that as well. Then I have my little dock on the bottom. So for the bottom, I have my messages, which I obviously just use for texting and stuff like that. Then I have my phone, which I use for calls, pretty self-explanatory. And then I have Snapchat. I use Snapchat sometimes. I have some streaks. I usually just send a couple streaks pictures a day. I use it mainly to make memories, take pictures, save pictures, and then if I'm on Snapchat and someone Snapchats me, I'll answer. Then on the next page, I have VSCO. I love VSCO so much. So this is what my VSCO looks like. My name is at the top there and it's also linked down below. I love VSCO. I love posting my memories there because then when I get a new phone, all my pictures are there, and sometimes when I'm bored, I just scroll through them and smile because I'm like, oh, it like takes me back to the day. Then I have my Gmail app. I use my Gmail for like sponsorships and like work and stuff like that. Then I have notes. I like making notes for things I need to remember. And also I have a note file in here of just Instagram captions for like all different events. So I have like Christmas, Halloween, holidays, pictures of just me, pictures of me and my best friends, pictures of me and my friends, like all that. And it's really easy now when I have to go to post a picture to just know what to caption it. Then I have Twitter. I don't really use Twitter that much at all, so nothing really much to say about that. Then I have another Pinterest widget. This is actually Fernanda Ramirez's board. I love her Pinterest so much, so credit to her for this widget and the one on the bottom as well. I'll have her channel linked down below. Then I have another widget. This is through Widgetsmith, and it literally tracks my steps and tells me how many steps I take in a day, which is so cool. I love it. I love going to the gym. For those of you who don't know, I work at Orange Theory, so I love having my steps there as well. Then I have Facebook. I don't use Facebook like at all. I have it for my parents because my parents post on Facebook, and sometimes like on their anniversary or on their birthday, I want to like say happy birthday and stuff like that. Then I have the App Store. Then I have Humanity. Humanity is how I know when I have to go into work at Orange Theory. It's like what we use to track our schedule. Then I have Lightroom. Lightroom is what I use to edit. I don't know if you guys remember, but a while ago I said I was going to release a preset. I was going to, then I had to get a new phone because of my old iPhone 12 Pro issue problem that I had, and I lost the preset. I am in the process of making it again. If you guys still want it, I can release it, just let me know. Then I have settings. Settings is just what comes with the phone. Then I have camera. Since I take pictures so much, I just like to have that there. Then I have Spotify. I have a playlist for literally every feeling you may be feeling, and I also just have like vibey playlists and everything like that. So if you guys want to see a playlist video, let me know. Then I have my Discover app, which is just for, you know, like my bank and everything like that. And then I have another Pinterest widget, which is again Fernanda's board, and I love this. I think it's so cute and it makes me happy. Then if we come all the way over here to the left, I have two widgets here. So I have my Remind widget there again, just because I personally really like when that's there. And then I also have my battery widget. Now my battery widget is there because I usually use my headphones in school when I have to do like projects and need to listen to videos and I'm in the library or something. And I have my AirPods, and it usually connects to my AirPods that are actually at school, and it'll connect to them and it'll tell me about the percentage on them if I need to charge them. And also for my Apple Watch, before I go on a run, I like to look and see how much battery I have left to see if I need to charge it and stuff. So So this is basically what my phone looks like. I love it a lot. But with all that being said, that's about it for this video. If you guys liked it, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me any video requests down below. I'd be more than happy to take your guys' ideas for videos. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you stayed up until this point of the video, comment what phone you currently have because I'm interested. And with all that being said, I will see you guys sometime really soon in my next video. Bye guys.